Hey guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today on the show we're going to draw
UFO sucking up a cow.
That's right, a UFO sucking up a cow being abducted by a UFO. This is going to be a fun one, guys, so let's get to it. Woo! Okay, so the first step is grab your pens and your paper, and what we want to do, we want to do 2 lines at the top here. So follow me. We go 1 line like that, another line underneath it, and then like 2 tire marks, like someone's done a wheelie down the road in his car. And then here we want to do a C, that way.
A Z?
A C.
It's a C.
And a backward C on that side to cap it off. So this is sort of like the line that sits underneath the dome of the UFO. So at the top here, we're going to do the dome. Go up the hill and down the hill.
It's a burger.
It looks like a burger.
There's
Burgers.
the meat in it.
Looks like a hat as well. You could put 2 eyes in there and a nose and you can have a hat. Okay, so the next part is we want to go down on an angle this way, like a slide that way and a slide that way. So we're going to go down the slide, whoa, stop. And we go down the slide this way, whoa, stop. And now, this is like the metal bit of the UFO that sort of propels it up into the sky. So what you can do here, you can either draw a straight line under there, or you can do a curved line. I'm going to do a slightly curved line like this.
I feel like doing a hat.
It looks like a hat, doesn't it?
But I feel like doing one.
Yeah, we're going to do the cow though today, being sucked up by a UFO. Kind of looks like a hat. If you're into the Star Wars, or things like the Mandalorian, like the Stormtroopers, Boba Fett, they kind of wear hats like this, don't they? All right, so underneath is going to be an upside down dome. So like a smiley face. And this is where they suck up the cow. So you want to go, you can go as big as you want. There you go. Now the next step is we want to do little circles along here in this metal bit. So we're going to do a half circle here on the side, 1. And then we go 1 circle here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we can do a half circle there, 6, because we're looking on the side. So it's however many circles you want. Look at how many Phoenix is putting in. He's putting in a lot of circles.
And let's see. 1, 12.
12. I did 7. Phoenix did 12. How cool is that?
Look at that.
This must be an ultra cool UFO that's like goes through space and stuff. So the next part we want to do is we're going to do the part that sucks up the cow. And this is the little entrance or the porthole into the UFO. So we want to go up a hill, down a hill. Oh yeah, Phoenix, that's cool. And then we want to hug that line again. So it's kind of like a road. We're making a road now, see? Or a rainbow. Up to you what you want to call it. The next thing is we want to do, there's going to be a beam down here, but before we do the beam that sucks up the cow, we want to do 2 little feet for the UFO. So you want to go 1 line there, 1 line next to it, and then you want to cap it off with a half, quarter, 3/4 circle like that. Kind of looks like someone's sticking their hands out going, whoa, roving. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. 1 line down there, 1 line down there, and circle it around. Good job, Phoenix. I like it.
Look at mine. He's
Ooh.
too tiny.
I like it. Within here, you're going to draw your
Cow.
cow. All right, so you can draw your cow however you want. Follow me and follow us and see how you go. So first of all, we're going to draw the cow's mouth, and it's going to be a rounded rectangle. So you're going to go round, straight, round, straight, round, straight, round, straight, round, straight, round. Like that. So that's his, what is that?
Nose.
Nose. It's his nose. And now we're going to do the part of his head. So you're going to go up, curve, straight, curve, down. So he's sort of sideways. You'll see in a minute what's going to happen here. We're going to do all his ears, his horns, and his noses and his eye and all that later on. But what we want to do his body. So we're going to go line like this, like that. And then we want to go down like that. Yep. However you want. Now, we're going to do his leg. So you're going to go down like that. And a little line like that. And a little line back up. Yep. And then what you want to do here is you want to take this line here that is his body and you want to go into his body like that. Yeah, cool. I like it. Now we want to do his leg back here. 1 down there, 1 down there, 1 down there. And then we want to do 1 leg that comes here. So 1 line there. Yep. 1 line there. And we'll cap it off at the bottom. And then another line that goes down here. One there. One there. And then a line at the bottom. So at the moment it kind of looks... What does it kind of look like?
A bow
like
tie with a cow's body.
It does look like a bow tie with a cow's body. Okay, so the next step is we want to draw his ears. So one ear here and one ear there. So like a C and a backward C. And then we're going to do a couple of bananas up here for his horns. Up
It's
and
a
down.
monkey.
It's a monkey. Up and down on the other side.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do another banana here for his tail. 1, 2, like so. Good job, Phoenix. I really like what you're doing there. Now, underneath, because there's a mama cow, we're going to do the udder. This is where the baby cows get their milkies. So we're going to go down like so. And then you want to do a U, go along, a U, go along the road, a U, go along the road, U, and then up into there. Oh, very good, Phoenix. I like it. Very cool. All right, so now we want to bring this cow to life. Let's give him some eyes, some little raisins, some sultanas here. 1, 2.
And we got a key.
What are you going to do? Oh, you want to do a hood. So this is some of the print work. You can go like that.
No, eyebrows.
You can. Oh, you gave it some eyebrows.
He's angry.
Cool.
He's angry.
All right, so the next step we want to do.
Steam.
Oh, okay.
Coming out of him.
He's angry. He's got steam coming out of his mouth. Okay.
No, nose.
Nose. All right. So we want to do his mouth, and you would do a side like that. Kind of looks a bit angry.
Well, I don't need to do a mouth because...
You don't want to do a mouth?
Nah.
All right. So do you want to? And then you can do some
Nose.
nostrils. So one circle in the corner there, another circle there. I like doing it in the mouth because he's like. "Roar, roar." Okay. Now let's do the bottoms of the cow's feet. So just do a little line like that and colour it in black. And we do that all along these little edges of his feet. Or her feet, sorry. It's he, she. Next step is we're going to do some prints. You know, some cows are white and they've got prints all over them. So we're going to do a circle print here. And then I might come down here and do a U up, U down, around, however you want to do it. And then maybe this one here, slight bump in the middle and around like that. There we go. We have the cow. Is the cow done?
No.
Wow, look at that. You've got cool circles in your cow.
Ooh.
We want to finish off by doing the beam that comes down the cow. So what you want to do, so like the beam comes between the legs. So you want to do one line down here. And then one line down there underneath the horn as far as you can go. And on the other side, do the same thing. A slanted line down. And what we're going to do is we want to connect these lines together at the bottom with a curve. There you go.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, Phoenix, there we go. We've drawn the cow being sucked up by a UFO. What's the next step?
Colour in.
Colour in. Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
See you on the other side, guys.
More.
Okay, guys, there we go. We did it. We drew the UFO sucking up the cow. Well done, Phoenix. Woo. What did you think of that?
Good.
Good, good. Can you tell me a little about what you done here? I really like the colours you used.
It's golden.
It's all golden. So like the golden UFO, when it sucks up the cow, it turns golden?
Yeah.
Is it right? And nobody can see it.
Yeah, and the cow can, when it gets in, it turns back to normal, so the aliens can't operate it.
They're going to operate on it, aren't they? They're going to test it out. Okay, that's very interesting. These aliens, aren't they? I really like the way you've complemented the red and the gold. It's really cool. I love it. And with Daddy, what did he do? Lots of multicolours going on. Lots of purples, oranges, blues and greens and all this sort of crazy stuff going on here, isn't there? How cool is that? Lots of fun. So anyway, guys, remember at home, just have fun with this. Draw it how you want, color it how you want. Look how Phoenix has colored his and look at how I've colored mine. All very different, but it's all personal taste and styles. It's just about having fun. Okay, Phoenix, what can the guys at home do?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right, they can pause the video and subscribe. So at any time you are falling behind in the videos, pause them, catch up, and then keep playing them. And you can also subscribe to our channel and give our videos some likes so you can keep up to date with future videos that we've got coming out. So, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix, and we are having fun making art. See you next time. Bye. Okay, so there we go, Phoenix. I think we've.
You said okays.
Okays.
Man.
Okay, Phoenix. Oh dear.